How to see your Facebook password. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To check your Facebook password, you need to ensure you have saved it using the Google Password Manager. If you have saved it, you can check it out pretty simply. First and foremost, tap Open your phone settings. Now, on your phone setting, you can scroll down until you see the option of Google and tap on it. From here, click on the All Services option. Then scroll down to the very bottom until you see the option of Autofill and Password. Click on the option of Autofill with Google. Now in here, you will see the Google Password Manager. Click on it. Then right here, you will find every other application in which the password is saved. Go ahead and locate your Facebook. You will need your PIN or your biometric to log in. Now over here you will see your Facebook as well as the credential of Facebook, that is the email address and password. You can edit from here or you can just copy it and paste it to log in into your Facebook account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.